Hello, everybody. Today we are going to deal a very important topic that is National Education Policy 2020. That was declared on 29 July 2020 in the stalwart leadership of Dr. Kasturi Ranjan, ex-scientist of ISRO. And this is, although not a legal document, but it is a very important document because after 2 years it is going to be implemented. So today we have invited our NCC cadets who are going to say something on this topic. So I am requesting them one by one. They will tell one point, and in this manner we shall have a complete discussion. Okay, Ashish Bhandari, Abhishek Thaplial,
I'm Cadet Abhishek Satyal of 7 oblique 31 UK co-NCC Rishikesh. I'm doing my graduation from PG College Rishikesh and I'm in third year of NCC. My topic is NEP 2020, the National Education Policy 2020, which was approved by the Union Cabinet of India on 29 July 2020, outlines the vision of India's new education system. The new policy replaced the previous National Policy Education 1986. The policy is a comprehensive framework for elementary education to higher education as well as vocational training in both rural and urban India.
Ajit Singh,
Thank you. Jai.
Jain
Ajit
sir,
Singh,
Jain sir, Cadet Ajit Singh, UK, UKSD 18 17-1054. NEP means New Education Policy. This is one of the important document that has been published by the Government of India in regards to improve the education quality. This has been one of the criticized factor that our education system has been remain as a rote learning, means we were not providing a vocational training. It happened after 2022. The after 8th means after completing the primary 5+3 education, the all of the students they will be given their vocational trainings about many jobs like gardening, carpentering, and many others, which are
okay,
currently known
Ankush,
as.
Ankush, next, Ansika Rawat, okay, Ankush,
Jain sir, I'm Cadet Ankush Jaldial from NCC 7 UK Battalion, Rishikesh. I am a student of B. And my topic is NEP. NEP means New Education Policy. The new National Education Policy is approved by the Union Cabinet on 29 July 2020 and renamed the Ministry of Human Resources and Development. Thank you.
Ansika Rawat, Radhana Panulit, get ready.
Jain sir, Cadet Anshika Rawat from 7 by 31 UK COE NCC Rishikesh. As we know, today we are here to discuss about NEP 2020. So according to this, there is no hard separation of streams, which means student can opt from any subject, from any stream, according to his or her interest. Thank you, sir.
Radhana Panoli, get ready, Avindrana Ashish Bhatt. Get ready, Avindrana Ashish Bhatt. Open their mic. Radhana Panoli, Radhana Panoli, Avindrana,
Jain sir, I am Cadet Arvind Singh Rana, graduation PG College, BSc third sem. Today my topic is NEP 2020. a national circular and pedagogical framework for early childhood care and education for children up to the age of 8 will be developed by NCERT in two parts, namely a sub-framework of 0 to 5-year-old and a scrum framework for 3 to 8-year-old. The overarching goal will be to increase universal access to high-quality ECC across the country in a phased manner. Thank you.
Ashish Bhatt.
Jai everyone. I am Great Ashish Bhatt of 7/31 UK COI NCC Rishikesh. And recently, the UN Cabinet has approved the new National Education Policy 2020, and which says over a period of time, every college is expected to develop into either an autonomous degree granting college or a constituent college or a university. Thank you.
Ayush Khandwal, get ready, get Manjeet.
From 37th NCC Rishikesh. The new National Education Policy wishes to bring 2 crore school children to the mainstream through an open schooling system. Thank you.
Manjeet, get ready, Surya Pratap. Manjeet, get ready, Surya Pratap.
Then sir, Cadet Manjeet, UK District 18-17-1070, 7/31 UK BNNCC Rishikesh. My topic is the NEP, and I want to say about NEP 2020 that NEP 2020 will provide midday meal.
Okay, Surya Pratap.
Myself, Cadet Shaurya Pratap Singh from 7/31 UK COI NCC Rishikesh. One of the very important features of NEP 2020 is that it emphasizes on creativity and critical thinking to invoke good decision making among students.
Vandana Bhatt, Vandana Bist, get ready, Deepak Kumar.
Yes, sir. I'm Cadet Vanna. I'm Cadet Vanna, 7/31 UK COI NCC Rishikesh. Today's my topic is National Education Policy 2020 build intellectual and institutional capacity in educational technology. Thank you.
Deepak Kumar.
Sir, I am Cadet Deepak Kumar, 730/COI NCC Haridwar. NEP provided Higher Education Commission of India will be set up as a single overarching umbrella body of entire higher education, including medical and legal education.
Deepak Kumar,
Thank you.
next.
Jain sir, I am Cadet Deepak Kumar, 7/UK COI NCC Rishikesh. Today my topic is National Education Policy 2020. New teaching training board will be set up for the kind of teachers in the country. No state can change. Thank you.
Dheeraj Bhandari, get ready, Himani Badola.
Jain sir, I am Cadet Dheeraj Singh Bhandari from 7/31 UK COI Battalion NCC Rishikesh. I am going to tell you the benefit of NEP 2020. It will help students to develop scientific temper from a young age. The NEP aims to make it easier to set up new quality of higher education institutes, which will help at par with the global standards. Thank you.
Himani Badola, get ready, Luthra.
Jain everyone. I am Cadet Himani Badola from 7/UK COI. According to this policy, up to class 5th to be named as preschool, class 6 to 8 admission school, class 8 to 11 as high school, and 12th onwards to be considered as graduations. Thank you.
Jessica Luthra, get ready, Jessica.
Jain everyone, myself Cadet Ishika Luthra from 7/31 UK COI NCC. The new education policy will help in establishing academic bank of credit for digitally storing academic credits earned from educational institutions for students. Then these will be transferred to the final degree of the student.
Jessica, get ready, Kajal Rana. Jessica, Kajal Rana.
Jain everyone.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Jessica Danai, 7/31 UK COE NCC Rishikesh. My topic is National Education Policy 2020, which was approved by the Union Cabinet of India on 29 July 2020. The vision of this policy is to transform our nation into a vibrant, educated society.
काजल राणा, कार्तिकेय बड़ोला.
Jai Hind everyone. Jai Hind everyone. I'm Cadet Kajal Rana.
कार्तिकेय बड़ोला.
Jai Hind everyone. I am Cadet Kartikeya Badola of 7/31 UK COI NCC Rishikesh. Today I am telling about NEP 2020. The importance of creating NEP mechanism for providing children with special needs, CWSN or Divyang, the same opportunity of obtaining quality education as any other child. Thank you.
मधुमिता राणा, कैडेट ममता रावत.
Cadet Madhumita Rana of 7/31st UK NCC Battalion. Today my topic is NEP 2020. NEP 2020 is a good policy and it aims at making the education system holistic, flexible, multidisciplinary and aligned to the needs of the 21st century.
ममता रावत,
Seems
मानमथनी
to be
कैडेट.
Jai Hind, sir. I'm Cadet Mamta Rawat. My topic is NEP. There will be no difficulty separation between art and science for the student, morality and constitutional.
मान थानी.
Jai Hind to all. I'm Cadet Manoj Thani of 7/31 UK COI NCC Rishikesh. In NEP, special attention will be given to employees, local teacher or those with familiarity with local languages. Thank you.
मानसी मुस्कान रेड्डी.
Jai Hind to everyone. I am Cadet Mansi Jain of 7/31 UK COE NCC Rishikesh. NEP, National Education Policy 2020. It says that report cards that are distributed to the students will be based on the skills and their capabilities instead of just marks and statements.
मुस्कान नेहा दीदी रेड्डी.
Jai Hind, sir. I'm Cadet Muskan Sharma from 7/31 UK CO NCC Rishikesh. Today's topic is NEP 2020. In this policy is a comprehensive framework for elementary education to higher education as well as vocational training in both rural and urban India. Thank you, sir.
नेहा द्विवेदी, पूजा सोम रेड्डी.
I am Cadet Neha Divedi from 7/31 UK COE NCC Rishikesh. My topic is NEP. The National Education Policy emphasizes an education system rooted in India ethos, the contribution directly to transforming India, that is Bharat, sustainably into the equable and vibrant education society. Thank you.
पूजा शर्मा, कैडेट प्राची.
Jai Hind, sir. I am Cadet Pooja Sharma from 7/31 UK COE NCC Rishikesh. Today I am telling about NEP 2020. NEP highlighting the National Mission on Education, which is to focus on basic literacy and basic numeracy. This education policy flexible for learners to choose their learning trajectories and program. After that, they choose their path as talent and interest. Thank you.
प्राची, कैडेट प्रशांत.
I am Cadet Prachi Thapliyal from 7/31 COI NCC. NEP 2020 promotes multilingualism in both school and higher education. Thank you.
प्रशांत कैडेट प्रेरणा.
Jai Hind everyone. I am Cadet Prashant Bist. From 31 UK Battalion NCC. My topic is National Education Policy, which is focusing on regular formative assessment for learning rather than summative assessment. Thank you.
प्रेरणा कैडेट प्रियंका.
Jai Hind to all. I am Cadet Prerna Thapliyal from 7/31 UK COE NCC Rishikesh. Teacher will given more autonomy in choosing aspects of pedagogy so that may teach in the manner for the students they find most in their classroom effective. Thank you.
प्रियंका कैडेट रागनी.
Jain, I'm Cadet Priyanka Rawat from 7/31 UK Koi, NCC Rishikesh. Today I'm telling something about NEP 2020. NEP 2020 says that the content of this policy will focus more on idea application and problem solving. Thus, teaching and learning will be conducted in more interacting manner. Thank you.
Ragini, Cadet Ravi.
Jain sir, I am Cadet Ragni Chauhan from 730 UK Koi NCC Rishikesh. Today my topic is reduction in curriculum to core concepts. Thank you sir.
Ravi, Cadet Rima.
Jain, I am Cadet Ravi Thaplia from 731 UK NCC, Koi Rishikesh. As we all are discussing about NEP 2020, I want to add one of the fundamental principles of the NEP 2020 that a student had developing a sense of self-recognition and knowing about its own potential of a child. Thank you.
Rishabh, Cadet Rishika.
Jain sir, I am Cadet Rima of 30/31. Sorry.
Rishabh, Cadet Rishika.
Jain, I am Kadishika of 31 UK Koi NCC Rishikesh. NEP 2020 says that all universities, government, private, open, deemed, etc. will have the same grading and other rules. Thank you.
Rishabh Kumar, Cadet Ritik. Rishabh Kumar.
Jai, I am Cadet Rishabh of 7/31 Battalion Rishikesh, and I am talking about NEP. Today's my point is respect of diversity.
Ritik, Cadet Priya.
I'm Ritik Rawat from 31 Battalion. Today's topic is NEP 2020. Shortly after the release of policy, the government clarified that no one will be forced to study any particular language, that the medium of instruction will not be shifted from the English to an regional language. Thank you.
Riya, Cadet Roshni. Riya.
Jain sir, I am Cadet Riya.
Rosni, Cadet Samaksha.
Jain sir, Anana, 7/UK 4/NCC. My topic is new education, national education policy 2020. On 29 July 2020 has focused on the improvement through the current 10+2 system in the school will be replaced by a new 5+3+4 circular system. Thank you, sir.
Kanthora, Samaksha Kanthora. Samaksha Kanthora. Samiksha Badola.
Jain sir, I am Cadet Samiksha Badola, 7/31 UK Go NCC Rishikesh. Today I am telling about NEP 2020. According to National Education Policy, the return of the FYUP program and no more dropouts. Duration of the undergraduate degree will be either 3 or 4 years. Student will also given multiple exit option within this period. Thank you, sir.
Sandeep, Cadet Sanskriti.
Jain Saab, I'm Cadet Sandeep Chauhan from 7/31 UK Koi BNNCC Rishikesh. I'll tell a basic topic about ENP 2020. ENP is a developed and improved form of old education policy 1986. In this policy, students can get many opportunity in their school lives like jobs, and they can study about many religious subjects. Thank you.
Sanskriti, Cadet Santoshi.
Jain sir, I'm Cadet Sanskriti Kumar. NEP 2020 says that education is a public service. Access to quality education must be considered a basic right of every child. Thank you.
Santoshi, Cadet Saurabh.
Jai Hind sir, I'm SU Santoshi Thapa from 7/31 UK Company NCC Rishikesh. The new National Education Policy 2020 is a progressive step towards a more scientific approach to education. Thank you.
Saurabh, Cadet Savita.
Jai Hind, sir. I am Cadet Saurabh Kumar from 7/31 UK Koi NCC
Rishikesh. NCC NEP provides the local languages as a subject. Thank you, sir.
Savita Academy Sakshi.
Jain sir, I'm Cadet Savita Negi of 7/31 UK Koi NCC Rishikesh. NEP 2020 says that wherever possible, the medium of instruction until at least grade 5, but preferably till grade 8 and beyond, will be the home language, mother tongue, local language, or the regional language. Thank you.
Sakshi Academy Shivam.
Jai Hind everyone. I'm Cadet Sakshi Rituri from 7/31 UK Koi NCC Rishikesh. The topic is NEP 2020. All graduation course will have major and minor subjects. For example, science students can have physics as major and music as minor subjects.
Shivam Academy Shivani. Shivam Chamoli Academy Shivani.
I am Cadet Sivam Chamoli of 7/31 UK Co NCC Rishikesh. My topic is NEP 2020. The NEP 2020 aims at the making of India global knowledgeable or superpower. The cabinet has also approved the renaming of Ministry of Human Resource Development to the Ministry of Education. Thank you.
Sukriti Academy Rawat.
Jain everyone, I'm Cadet Shivani Kukreti from 7/31 UK Battalion NCC Rishikesh. So in this NEP program, one of the major feature of this policy is that top colleges from all over the world will be allowed to set up their campuses in India under some terms and regulations so that all those students who are unable to go abroad due to multiple reasons will be able to get a global exposure here in India only.
Rawat
Thank
Academy
you.
Unyal.
Jain sir, I'm Cadet Shivani Rawat from National Education Policy 2020. The aim of this policy is to shape the current education system that all of India's children. Thank you, sir.
Sonu Academy Srishti.
Jain everyone, my name is Cadet Sonu Shah, 7/31 UK Co NCC Rishikesh. My topic National Education Policy 2020. History, scientific contribution, traditional in knowledge, literature and knowledge etc. as a part of again meeting their knowledge about these areas. 22.13 program as degrees in higher education across the arts, language, and humanity will also come an expectation high quality occupation for employment that can make effective use. Thank you.
Srishti Academy Suraj.
Jain sir, Cadet Shrishti of 7/31 UK Koi NCC Rishikesh. My topic is NEP 2020. Education policy consists of the principal and government policy in the educational sphere as well as the collection of laws and rules that govern the operation of education system. Thank you, sir.
Suraj Rawat.
Jain, I Cadet Suraj Pundit, 7/31 UK Koi NCC Battalion Rishikesh. Today, my topic is about NEP education policy. The main aim of NEP is to provide education to the poor ones who had not that much facility to show their temperament and their skill. Thank you.
Suraj Rawat Academy Swati. Suraj Rawat.
In this case, recently the Union Cabinet has approved the new National Education Policy 2020 with an aim the introduction several change in the India education system from the school to college level. Thank you, sir.
Swati Academy Vilpul.
Hello, Jain sir, I'm Cadet Vipul Kumar, and yeah, I'm a cadet of 7/31 UK NCC Rishikesh. My topic is NEP 2020, National Education Policy 2020 envisions an India-centric education system that contributes directly to transforming our nation sustainably into an equitable and vibrant knowledge society by providing high equality education to all. Thank you, sir.
Swati Negi, Gatorade Vishal Rajbar. Swati Negi.
Jain sir, I'm Cadet 30 UK COI NCC. Today I'm telling about NEP 2020. The NEP only provide a bold direction. It is not mandatory to follow.
Vishal Rajbar, Gatorade Vishal Singh Verma. Vishal Rajbar. Vishal Rajbar. Vishal Singh Verma.
Jain, I am Cadet Vishal Singh Verma from 7 oblique 31 UK COA NCC Rishikesh. My topic is NAP 2020. The Modi government announced the new education policy to 2020, which brings about several major reforms in education in India. Among the major reforms, the 10 plus 2 structure in the schooling system has been replaced by 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure. Thank you.
Yogesh Bhandari, Gatorade Yogesh Kumar.
From 7/31 UK COA and Sergar. So the main aim of new education policy is universalization of education from preschool to secondary level with 100% gross enrollment ratio in school education by 2030. Through the open schooling system of NEP 2020 will bring 2 crore out of school children back into mainstream. Thank you, sir.
Yogesh Kumar.
Jain to everyone. I'm Cadet Yogesh Kumar from 7 oblique 31 COA BN NCC. 2020 NEP policies come with a lots of new beautiful and positive changes. If we're talking about the changes, the policy, this policy adds a lots of new things. If you're talking about the early childhood education, like this policies adds a lots of things like developing curiosity, logical thinking and problem solving, arts, craft and music, relationship with nature, teamwork and collaborations, play based and discovery based learning, ethics, self identity. Apart from this, during the first to fifth standard, student taught in their mother tongue language. And while doing 6th to 8th class, student has a facility to go school bagless and learn new things by local vocational teachers like gardener, carpenter, etc. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so this was all about our NCC cadets who are telling about different points of NEP 2020. And to add here, the first NEP was introduced in 1968, then second in 1986, and in between we had third one 1992. And now this main NEP, which came after a gap of 3 decades, declared on 29 July 2020, and main stress of this NEP is that is quality education, and this quality education is the fourth sustainable development goals given by UNESCO in 2015 to be completed before 2030. There are 17 goals, but the goal number 4, quality education. So our NEP also revolves around this fourth goal. Apart from the new pedagogy and curriculum structure based on ECCE, Early Childhood Care and Education, divided into 4 parts: fundamental, preparatory, middle, and secondary. 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 formula. And in this policy, there is no MPhil. In this policy, deemed university are no more, and there is a multiple choice of entry and exit also, and PhD for 4 years, and more stress is for autonomous college. Uh, they will be given up, and after every year, suppose after doing 12th, although there are ample opportunity for vocational courses and stress for regional language also, and in first year you can do certificate, second year diploma, third year degree, fourth research, and then PhD. So likewise, if you complete only 1 year, then you can also join after a gap of many years. So that degree will be counted. So this is very fruitful NEP, and it is going to be implemented after 2 years. Now main stress is to develop critical thinking and holistic approach and development with creative scientific temper and with conceptual clarity, because there is flexible multiple level for the students who are rich talented. We because our country must be global knowledge superpower based on scientific advancement, and all the steps have been taken that are rooted in our Indian ethos. So there is a digital literacy, there is a conceptual perception, reception, and transmission of high quality education. So many stress is given on high quality. And NCC states and unity territories are given a stress that they should also open NCC in their states. And teachers are also given freedom. They will not be given any other assignment except teaching and learning. So that is the main stress. And vocational courses and research have been put on more importance with the help of different words like parak, diksha, swam, ayush. So technology is also given some sort of place in this policy. So our purpose is to learn this policy and to make others aware so that we can follow, because youth based on 50% of the population has more liability. So this NAP is really a very fruitful achievement in the coming generation. So with this we come to an end. Thank you. Jai Hind.